do anything. So do that. Mohit, Mohit is just connecting to audio still. Okay. So kindly go to Brigadier Guides You YouTube channel. It is for your good. Again, I am saying, and in that channel, go in the playlist. There will be one playlist, SSB lectures, in which 8 SSB lectures are being recorded by Sir. Right? Those are the Blackboard lectures. And there is another playlist by the name SSB online classes, in which around more than 25 online classes are there, in which details of everything, not even just saying about those things, but practicing them. Students are practicing them, and sir is giving them feedback. Everything practical is there. You need to study all those videos. They will help you a lot, right? So do that. And if you want to help other aspirants also, share those videos too, because the basic of SSB is cooperation, right? Because all your GTOs will be watching your cooperation, whether it is your GD or any other exercise. Your cooperation will be watched every time. So what sir has done in all these months, cooperation, leadership, everything has been practiced in these Zoom meetings, in this making WhatsApp group exercises, everything. We have made leaders from you, and we have worked like that. So you need to watch all those, study all those, and come with some doubts, so that it will be benefited. Only your camera is still not open, because when sir will come, sir will, yeah, now it is open. Yeah. So I'll be just asking sir how much time he will take, and then we'll start.
Hi guys, can you hear me all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, into your chat box. Yeah, Niharika, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Participant list, put your hands up, all of you, so I can see you all. And those of you who can put your videos on, please do that. Okay. Okay. What was the subject being discussed with Varun sir? Yaria, can you tell me that? Unmute yourself.
Sir said to study your videos
Yeah,
one by
unmute
one,
your-
and the ones which
Just a minute, I think
audible, sir?
I was on the other mic because I was doing the interviews for you on the communication skills with Dr. Shiv Durga. She is a UGC resource person. And then I had Dr. Sanyal, who is a Delhi University professor. So they've told one of very good things of on communication skills, which you follow to become a good communicators, and they'll be your key to success to your various interviews, SSB and others also. Okay. Yeah, Ria, what was going on with Varun sir? Unmute yourself.
Sir, Varun sir said that we all should study your videos which are available on YouTube, apart the ones which are related to SSC and the ones which are also not related to SSC, because in some or the other way they form a part of the SSC. For example, the ones, the communication skills, personality development videos, and the videos you have explained on COVID, coronavirus and economy, they all should be studied.
Good. Yeah, Devinder, what is your impression? Devinder Singh.
Yes, sir.
You see, guys, listen, I will be able to interact with you only if I see your face. There's no question asking a question to a blank screen. Okay. So if you want to interact with me, put your videos on. Because I can see your names on the windows, so I'll ask you by seeing your videos. Okay. Nilakshi, your video is also not on. What's your problem here in Pune? I can understand others in smaller towns where there are net issues. And Nilakshi, are you there? Nilakshi? Okay, fine. Actually, you see, what I have been trying to do is, let me tell you the truth. I have already taken 2 sessions and I have emphasized on the importance of those 15 qualities. And I have also tried to tell you that interviewing officer is the most important guy out of the 3 in SSB. The interviewing officer, to my mind, carries 60% of the weightage. Okay? So that is why I'm laying more emphasis on interviewing officer. Fortunately, I have laid hands on some kind of a Prezi, which teaches the interviewing officer how should they take interview. When an Indian Army officer gets posted to SSB, he also has to be trained, isn't it, Pooja? Yeah, Pooja, what do you say? The person who's assessing you, he also needs to be trained, isn't it? What do you say?
Yes, sir. Yeah, he needs to be.
So he also has to be trained. So some literature he also has to read, isn't it? Kush, what do you think? Kush?
Yes, sir, certainly, sir. Because in order to understand a person's background, it's important to study his PIQ and get some information out of it.
Yeah. So you all agree that the interviewing officer, a GTO or a psychologist, before he becomes the assessment officer, his training also has to happen. Isn't it? He also has to be trained. So I have got a Prezi with me, which is used to train them. So that is why I'm being very, very deliberate. And I told you yesterday that I have got a document in my hand and I want each and every point to be read, even if it takes 2 sessions, 3 sessions, 4 sessions. We had planned for 1 session. Okay, that is the reason I'm being very deliberate, and I expect you guys to listen to each word and note down each point and try to implement that in your life, in your day-to-day life, into your every aspect which is connected with your preparation with the SSB. Don't unmute yourself unless you're required to speak. Devinder, mute yourself. Okay. So I'm trying to do that so that you get the max benefit out of it. So be very serious. So today, unfortunately, since I was doing the interviews in the studio, I've forgotten that document in my home, in my study. So what we will do is, who's ready for the interview today? Mohit Yadav, where is he?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where are you, Mohit? Okay. Okay. Now I'll get you in a speaker's view. So I am.
Sir, can we do one thing, sir?
Yeah.
Can all other participants of their video, only you and Mohit will be there, so that on the screen only two of you will be there? Can we do that?
That's okay. But all others you should remain present. Don't go away.
Yeah, they will be present. Their videos will be
Yeah.
off. Yeah.
So correct. So
Yeah.
So we both are
only
talking to
Mohit
each
will
other.
be on their video, and otherwise all please off the video. We'll use the service of Zoom, in which we'll hide all those participants whose videos are not open, so that on the screen only 2 videos will be there. I'll be just doing that. 1 second.
Okay, and all of you must have paper and pen with you. You have your doubts, observations. Please write them down. At the end, I ask all of you to come one by one and speak your mind out, and we'll discuss those. Is that okay with you all? Put your hands up in participants list. All of you. Put your hands up. Good. So keep noting down your observations. They may be positive, they may be negative, and there may well be a doubt in your mind. Do not have any doubts in your mind before you leave my session.
Rohan, please off your video. Rohan,
Switch off your videos.
yeah.
All right.
Only Mohit and Sir. Right. Should I share the PIQ form also, sir?
Yeah, give it to me.
Yeah, should I share it on screen?
Okay, do that.
Yes. It will take just one more minute.
So we assume that Mohit, you finished your psychological tests, and today you had your first leg of GTO's test also. Okay, that is the assumption. And you knocked the door and said, "Sir, may I come in, please?" I said, "Please come in." You came and stood next to the chair, and I, as interviewing officer, have told you, "Please sit down." Now you have sat down. Varun, should we start? Varun? Okay, we are starting. Doesn't matter. Let Varun do what is doing his work.
I'm just sharing 1 second, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Mohit. Now that, as I said, let's start now. So I said, please sit down, and you don't sit down till I tell you to sit down. Okay. And now you're sitting down there. First of all, now the way I look at you. Okay, the 10 minutes are left. We'll do something out of it. So the way I look at you, where is your screen gone? Yeah. Now the way I look at you, let me tell you, you are very shabbily dressed. Your t-shirt is not up to the mark. First of all, when you go there, make sure that you have a dress ready. Moment you are told that at 12:30 you have to come for the interview, whatever dress you are, go back to your room, change, wash your face, put on proper dress. Please mute yourself, gentlemen, all of you others. Mute yourself, all of you others, mute yourself. I still have a lot of noise inside. Mute yourself, you're wasting your own time. Okay, Mohit, are you listening to me? Mohit, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But why is your screen
Yes,
frozen? Your screen is frozen. Yeah. Now, your shirt,
Network problem, sir.
t-shirt you are wearing will not do in SSB interview. You have to have light shirt and dark trouser. Your combination should be correct. It is a brownish combination, a bluish combination. Best is go for a white shirt with your cufflinks on and your, say, darkish trouser and appropriate color of belt, maybe black or brown, and black or brown shoes. Shoes and belt should be of the same color. And your hair should be done up properly. And this hairstyle that you're carrying now will not do. Go to a hairdresser, get a proper haircut before you go for SSB. Okay? This is firstly I'm talking about your appearance. Now, moment your number is called, I've always told everybody, stand outside in front of the gate, darwaza, door which is closed. Spend 30 seconds. Try and calm yourself. Because moment you're sitting there waiting for your number to be called, you see others going and coming out, your heart rate will go up. Your mind will be filled of a lot of anxieties.
Yes, sir.
Try to calm yourself down. But it will not be possible. You'll still have anxieties. One moment before you start knocking the door, stand outside the door, take deep breaths. Try to calm yourself. Deep breaths, deep breathing exercise, सबको मालूम है कैसे करना है? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and inhale. Then hold that breath forward 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then exhale again 1, 2. Okay, don't do it 10, do it a 6. 6, 4, 6. Understood, all of you? See where you are comfortable. Do not overdo it also that you further get tense. Aim is to relax your mind and put a smile on your face and then do knocking. Okay? And say, sir, may I please come in, sir? You may use sir twice, doesn't matter. Okay? The moment he says yes, just move inside. Go and stand comfortably, not as very savdhan Vishram wala, but savdhan in a comfortable manner next to the chair. and he'll ask you, please sit down. And that is the time you will sit down. And if he says, Mohit, please sit down, it's okay. Or he says, please sit down, okay. Then he will start talking to you. Firstly, where's your video gone? Mohit, where is your video gone?
I think he lost the connection, sir, because video and audio both are not there.
Mohit is not here.
Mohit is there, but video and audio both are not there. So there might be some connection problem with them.
Interview कैसे होगा यार?
He must be connecting back. Mohit, what is the problem? Please write in the chat box. Your mic and camera, both icons are not showing. Write in the chat box, Mohit.
The Mohit is not in the participants list.
Yeah. Now Mohit, 1 second.
Okay, if Mohit is not there, we'll see him later. We have got few minutes left. Let's finish, make use of those. So,
Yeah, now he's-
somebody
now he's
asked you to sit down. Yeah, Mohit. So, you understanding? So, he'll say, Mohit, please sit down. So, sit down comfortably and make sure that your hands are in your lap and your legs are comfortably placed. Be very, very comfortable position. Your back absolutely straight and touching the back of this thing. Do not lunge. Do not sort of like you are lunging at the moment onto your right. I mean, you should be straight. Or I can see your picture little teda. I don't know. But what I am seeing you today at the moment. Okay, I don't know. So practice. Yeah, practice all this in front of the mirror. Okay. So this is the first part of the interview. He's made almost 40% assessment of your personality by seeing your first. Now look at your eyes. Your eyes are looking very morose. As बड़े डरा हुआ बंदा बैठा हुआ है. अभी तो yeah, that's better. Anyway, leave it. Don't we do it next time. Don't worry. Leave it.
Okay.
See your expression yourself. Are you happy with those dull eyes? Your eyes should have some kind of a shine. मुंह पे थोड़ी smile होनी चाहिए, cheerful attitude. I mean, you're not entered some concentration camp of Hitler that you're dreading कि अभी क्या होने वाला है, कि अभी बकरा हलाल होने वाला है. No, yeah. I mean, he'll make you comfortable, but don't give an impression. Tell him, sir, I'm a balanced personality myself. That is what you're conveying to him while entering. Okay. Now what he'll do is immediately he will not ask you a question, or he may ask also. But if I were the interviewing officer, I'll keep observing you. हिंदी में बोलते हैं घूर रहा है. He'll watch your face. He'll watch your hands. He'll watch your legs. He'll watch your body. He's trying to see your body language, and that will automatically unsettle you. You will get perplexed. यार क्या हो रहा है? क्या हो गया? तो वो आपका हार्ट रेट जो बाहर बढ़ा हुआ था, जो मैंने दरवाजे पे काम कराया, by doing the breathing exercise, will again rise. But here, sitting in front of him, you will not be able to do the breathing exercise. So please make sure that when he's watching you, when he is ghorowing you, you do not let your body rate go up, the heart rate go up.
Okay.
कोई बात नहीं. I'm waiting. You don't want to ask my question. You are just trying to see कि मैंने शर्ट कौन सी पहनी है, मैंने कफलिंग्स कौन से कलर के पहने हुए हैं, मेरी बेल्ट का कलर क्या है, मेरे जूतों का कलर. Let him watch. You be totally nonplussed. I care a damn. I am sitting here comfortably with you. जब क्वेश्चन पूछना पूछो. So that should be the first attitude in your mind. मैंने NLP techniques में 3 चीजें बताई थी. Delete, and second one was associate, and third was generate. So associate this point I'm telling you right now. Moment he gives you uncomfortable moments when he's not talking, you take it that he's trying to see your dress, and let him see the dress. Dress देखने से क्या होता है यार? At least your blood pressure should not go up.
Okay, sir.
Is that clear, you guys? All of you understanding? Yeah, that is an important point. So this is the first part of the whole thing. Now we've got 2 minutes left. Before then, we'll go on to the next session. We'll continue the interview. In 2 minutes, Mohit, you want to ask me a question about your posture? Whatever we talked about so far. उसके लिए कोई question पूछना तो बताओ.
Sir, should I change this T-shirt right now?
नहीं अभी नहीं, अभी तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है यार, अभी तेरा एक्चुअल इंटरव्यू थोड़ी हो रहा है. When you go for SSB, plan for it at home. You should have gone there along with all these dresses. They'll tell you what all to be brought: white shirt, white trouser, white pants, half pants, white shoes. वो सब बताएंगे. तो ये भी एक ड्रेस है जो आपने नई बनवानी है, अपने पास घर में रखनी है, उसको प्रेस करवाना है. एंड मोमेंट यू लैंड अप इन एसएसबी, देयर विल बी अ पर्सन हु विल से कि लॉन्ड्री है, आपने कोई कपड़े प्रेस कराने हैं, धुलाने हैं, तो टेल हिम प्लीज प्रेस देम एंड कीप इट बिफोर योर इंटरव्यू. You will be told which date, what time will you be, interview will be there, so make it ready for that. तो वही इस वक्त वो आपकी ड्रेस चेकिंग हो रही है, sitting in front of that, and you are feeling uncomfortable कि यार ये बोल नहीं रहा, पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है, because that fear of unknown is gripping you. So make sure that doesn't grip you, because I told you so. इस चीज को अपने दिमाग में याद रख लो, यार जब वो करेगा तो सर ने बताया था, he's just checking my dress, doesn't matter. So I keep smiling, I keep looking at him. Okay, I'm looking at him towards his eyes. So if you also look that way him, तो उसको भी घबराहट हो सकती है. तो भूलना मत, कभी उसकी एक आंख देखो, कभी दूसरी आंख देखो, कभी उसके होंठ देखो, कभी उसकी चिन देखो. So rotate your eyes धीरे धीरे, not in a very pertinent manner, obvious manner कि एक बड़ा गंदा लगे, but unconsciously rotate your eyes so that they're not fixed also and they're not unnecessarily moving also. Okay, if Mohit can't come on, is Nilakshi ready?
Mohit has come, sir. Mohit has come. Mohit has come back.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it because
Nilakshi?
I think.
Nilakshi, now if Mohit's connection is lost, I'll start interviewing you. Are you ready for it?
Okay, sir.
If Mohit's connection is lost, you be ready, okay? But I guess Pune में internet का problem नहीं होना चाहिए.
Yeah, sir.
Now the dress you are wearing is again inappropriate. You should
Yes,
be
sir.
either proper kurta pajama salwar kameez, or you should be proper shirt and pant. Or
Okay,
if you feel you are a corporate lady, very stylish, you can be skirts and a coat, along with a shirt and a tie or a bow or whatever. It should be a proper dress. I'm not saying you have to be dressed like a British or a Westerner. You could well be a proper sari. You could well be a proper Indian dress. Okay,
Hello?
appropriate. Okay, yeah.
भाई यार आज पता नहीं क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रही है इंटरनेट को.
Yeah, Mohit, are you there? Mohit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mohit, tell me something about yourself.
Sir, myself Mohit Yadav. I am from Narnaul district, Mahendragarh and state Haryana. I completed my 12th
okay,
from.
hold it. Yes, saying, sir, myself, so and so is a wrong English. Bad practice should never be used. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It is not myself. Sir, I am Mohit Yadav. I belong to so and so place. Okay, all of you understand? Don't say myself Komal Dalal, myself Dilraj Singh. Myself is a term which is used by very, very non-professional, non-educative guys. Correct English is, and you should always go by British English, not even American English. Because it's a British English is the actual English. Otherwise, if you go by American English, let me show you, there's something called English also. Indian English accent is also a recognized accent. You can use that. So the correct way is to do is, I am Mohit Yadav and I am so and so. I belong to this. I am from this. I am from that school. I do this. I do that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Start again.
Sir, I am Mohit Yadav.
And meanwhile, Nilakshi, you are preparing. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Sir, I am Mohit Yadav. I belong to Narnaul district, Mahendragarh and state Haryana. I completed my 12th from CL Public School, Narnaul with 92.6% marks. And now I am doing BSc at Hindu College in Delhi University. My father is a farmer, and Sir, Mahendragarh is famous for its dairy product, and it produces large number of soldiers for the armed forces. And most of the selections in NEET and IIT comes from the Mahendragarh. Mahendragarh literacy rate is 77%, and the birth rate of Mahendragarh is 920 girls per thousand boys.
Okay, just a minute now. I'll tell you now, you have prepared yourself well. I'm happy. Mohit Yadav, I'm happy that you prepared yourself well. Everybody else is listening, he's spoken well. Okay. बट ये जो अभी मोहित यादव ने बोला है, ये इसने मुझे अपना PIQ फॉर्म पढ़ के सुनाया है. ओके, PIQ फॉर्म में बोलना है कि आई एम फ्रॉम महेंद्रगढ़, द पॉपुलेशन इज दिस मच, लिटरेसी इज दिस मच, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. ये when Mohit is speaking about himself, you don't have to give that. That information was only PIQ information meant for this IO and psychologist. क्योंकि अगर हो सकता है कि साइकोलॉजिस्ट IO को नहीं पता है कि महेंद्रगढ़ कहाँ है. Suppose a psychologist is from Tamil Nadu. There is a chance he doesn't know Mahendragarh. And frankly speaking, I am from Delhi. और मुझे भी अभी बोलोगे ना महेंद्रगढ़ एग्जैक्टली कहाँ है, तो मैं नहीं बता पाऊंगा. मुझे सिर्फ इतना ही पता है हरियाणा में कहीं पे है. The purpose of giving population or literacy rate and all those things is that you tell the guy what kind of a background you come from. Okay? जब मैंने बोला अपने बारे में बताओ, तो आपने बोला I am from Mahendragarh, that is enough. In case IO, the interviewing officer has to ask you, yeah, Mohit, are you there or are you gone? Mohit, are you
Yes, sir,
there?
I am here, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So suppose if he wants to know, okay, Mahendragarh is which part of Haryana? Then you answer him, sir, it is in the central part of Haryana. Okay, Mahendragarh, what is the population of Mahendragarh? Tell him so much is the population. So you should know all this data. So I'm saying, well done. You have prepared very well. I'm very happy. There is no deficiency in your preparation. That means you've really worked on it. You prepared for your interview. All of you must do that way. But now I will be refining your hard work. You put in hard work, you coming out correctly, but I will be refining it further so that you do not get into some kind of a this thing. But I'm not saying that do not know the population of Mahendragarh. I'm not saying do not know the literacy rate of Mahendragarh. You should know on the back of your mind, speak only if this comes as a question.
Okay.
Okay? It is good that you knew the data. And actually you have filled it up there. Filling up it is important. But speak it only once he asks me. Okay. So आगे बताओ. Tell me something about your parents, your family.
Sir, I have my father. I have three members in my family: my father, my mother, and my brother. My father is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker, and my brother is working as a beldar in PWD department.
और बताओ ना. और बताओ. So now do not start saying, sir, my father is 60 years old. He earns 15,000 rupees a month. Don't say that, okay? But that information he asks you, then speak it. Okay, tell me something about your school, your teachers, your fellow students, and what all you did during your school time, and what all did you do in your 12th class?
Yes, sir. In my 12th class, I have, sir, my favorite teacher was a physics teacher, because, sir, he used to taught us well, because he not only teach us study point of view, he used to help us in our day-to-day problems also. And he teaches in such a way that even a weak student could get the good marks in the physics. And sir, I did not like much the chemistry teacher, because sir, he used to pressurize the student for tuition. And he used to took tuition in one batch in morning and one in evening. And the thing he taught in morning batch, then he did not give much preference or much importance to that topic in school. Then sir, that is why I did not like him much. But sir, this problem resolved because I reported to the principal, and then he resolved this issue. And sir,
Okay,
I have many friends like.
Okay, here, halt here before you go further. Were you there in the class day for yesterday?
What, sir? Yes, sir.
Were you there in the class on Sunday night at 8 o'clock? Kargil Divas?
Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Not in that class.
Okay, that is why you made this mistake. Now you have created a 100% issue for yourself to be screened out of the SSB. I had told you, parents, brothers, sisters, teachers, friends, they are non-negotiable. You will not say anything against them. And lot of you have asked me question, sir, if I have to say something about teachers, how do I say? If I have to give a weakness, how do I do that? I always told you it should be a superficial stuff. Like here, you yourself started speaking against your chemistry teacher. You are not supposed. This is a cardinal sin. Sin समझते हो? पाप है, ये पाप, ये
Okay, sir.
माफ कभी ना माफ होने वाला पाप है कि आपने बिना पूछे ही उसको बोल दिया सर मेरे को तो केमिस्ट्री टीचर पसंद ही नहीं था, वो तो ट्यूशन लेता था, फोर्स करता था, मैंने तो प्रिंसिपल को उसके अगेंस्ट रिपोर्ट कर दी. दैट मीन्स यू आर नॉट अ मटीरियल विच आई वांट यू इन द ग्राउंड.
Okay.
मैंने बोला मम्मी पापा के अगेंस्ट कुछ नहीं बोलना है. सर उन्होंने गाली तो दी मेरे को, बट कोई बात नहीं, मम्मी पापा है, मेरे भले के लिए बोला. टीचर ने मुझे डांटा, वो पूछेगा यू मीन टू से तेरे को टीचर ने कभी नहीं डांटा? No, never ever teacher any scolded you? Yes sir, they did tell me sir, but then sir I was doing a mistake, I was doing a शरारत, मैं क्लास में बोल रहा था सर, डांट पड़ गई. तो डोंट यू फील दैट उसको जाके मारना चाहिए टीचर ने? हाँ सर मैं तो अभी कॉलेज में पढ़ता हूँ, 20 साल का हूँ, मैं तो मारूंगा उसको जाके जोर से. वैसे भी कबड्डी में मैं बहुत चैंपियन हूँ सर. आई वांट टू ब्रेक हिज लेग सर. दैट मींस यू आर आउट. सर
Okay, sir.
उन्होंने मुझे डांटा जरूर. डोंट से नहीं नहीं सर आई एम वेरी गुड, टीचर्स नेवर स्कोल्डेड मी, माय पेरेंट्स नेवर स्कोल्डेड मी, दे थॉट आई वाज अ वेरी गुड गाय. डोंट से दैट आल्सो. हाँ सर जब कभी गलती करते हैं डांट पिटती है तो आईओ विल से नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आईओ तो तुम्हारा मन नहीं करता जाकर उनकी टांगे तोड़ दें या थप्पड़ मारे वापस? उसने भी तुम्हें थप्पड़ मारा था, उसने केन से मारा था कि रात को कहीं बार बाजार में मिले मैं इसको अपने फ्रेंड्स का ठोक देता हूँ. हाँ सर ठोक दूंगा सर मैं. दैट मींस यू आर आउट. मोमेंट ही सेज सर उन्होंने मुझे ही स्कोल्डेड मी, मुझे पनिशमेंट भी दी सर. सर वो मैं गलती कर रहा था ना, तो दैट इज पनिशमेंट मिलना स्वाभाविक है सर, इज नॉर्मल है. तो वो मेरे भले के लिए कर रहे हैं सर. सो आई हैव गॉट नो ग्रज अगेंस्ट हिम सर. हाँ कभी कभी मिलती है, डांट पड़ती है सर, पर हम कोई दिल में रखी नहीं बात सर. इज दैट पॉइंट क्लियर टू एवरीबडी? पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स, ब्रदर्स, सिस्टर्स एंड योर फ्रेंड्स, नॉन नेगोशिएबल इज द वर्ड. इनके अगेंस्ट कभी नहीं बोलना है. कि कभी किसी फ्रेंड से झगड़ा नहीं हुआ, होता है सर, बट दैट इज ऑन ए इशू. 2 मिनट बाद फिर हम दोस्त बन जाते हैं. छोटे भाई को कभी पिटाई नहीं करी सर, करी है, बट फिर भी वो 2-4 मिनट के बाद गुस्सा ठंडा हो जाता है, माफी मांग लेते हैं, फिर जफिया पा लेते हैं सर. हम जफिया पा लेते हैं, समझ गया सबको? वी हग ईच अदर. The elder brother scolded me because he thought I did something wrong. Actually, I had not, sir. Then he also excused me, sir. उन्होंने माफ कर दिया. तो brothers, sisters, teachers, parents, friends, उनके साथ ये attitude है इंटरव्यू में. अभी जब भी इनकी बात होती है तो आपने ये भी नहीं बोलना है कि नहीं नहीं इज ऑल वेरी वेरी गुडी गुडी सर. थोड़ा बहुत बोल दो. और बीच बीच में कभी सर मम्मी पापा डांट देते हैं, टीचर्स डांट देते हैं, छोटा भाई बहन या बड़ा भाई बहन से लड़ाई हो जाती है, फ्रेंड्स के साथ जा रहे हैं, कभी छोटी छोटी सर वो मैं कोल्ड ड्रिंक रख के गया, वो मेरी ड्रिंक पी गया सर जबरदस्ती शरारत में सर, तो मुझे गुस्सा आया सर, मैंने उसको डांटा, तूने क्यों उठाई, लड़ाई हुई सर. तो सर 5 मिनट की बात थी, उसके बाद हमने कहा यार 2 कोल्ड ड्रिंक और ले आते हैं, एक बांट लेते हैं यार. तो आपने बोला कि आप सोशल हो, चाहे वो भाई बहन थे या मम्मी डैडी थे, टीचर्स थे, सर हमने आपस में सुलह कर ली सर फटाफट. ये नहीं बोलना कि सर मैं तो टांगे तोड़ूंगा अभी. सर आप मुझे मौका दो ना सर, मैं तोड़ के दिखाऊंगा. आई कैन डू वंडर्स सर, आई एम अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग गाय सर, मैं तो कुश्ती का चैंपियन हूँ सर, और मैंने पता नहीं बड़ों को मारा सर, ये छोटा मोटा क्या चीज है, मौका मिला मार दूंगा सर. इज दैट पॉइंट क्लियर टू एवरीबॉडी?
Yes, sir.
Put your hands up in the participants list. Put your hands up. I'm waiting for your hands to come up. Good, 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 good. So, okay, okay, fine, fine, fine. Go back now. Mute yourself, please. Mute yourself, please. Okay, Mohit. Now you finished your teachers. Go ahead with the classmates, सहपाठी तुम्हारे, उनके साथ अब मैं कम से कम 1.5 मिनट बोलना कम से कम.
Yes, sir. I have a very good relationship with all my classmates, and but I have a group of 5 or 6 friends with whom I used to play cricket and volleyball, and I used to go canteen with them, and we used to enjoy. They are very helpful. They took help from me in the studies and in their day-to-day problems, and I also took help from them. And sir, my best friend during my school days was Manish, who studied with me from 6th class to 12th class, and he was a cute, skinny, but a very weak student, not in study, but due to his bad health, he is physically weak. And sir, he was also helpful, be it financially and be it in study. But and sir, the quality I like him that he is very truthful, because I learn from him to speak the truth. Because like if I made a mistake, then my friend supporting me, then he is not my friend. And if he is pointing my mistake, and then he is my friend. I learned this thing from Manish. And sir, I did not like him, his one quality, that he don't care about his health, because he is a very weak and victim of many diseases like heart diseases, and operated 2 or 3 times, like one time appendix and these all. So I think he should eat healthy, because he used to eat very spicy and masala things.
Okay, stop. Again, I am saying well done. You have come prepared. And I want everybody to follow suit. But here 2 things. First thing, you said he is your best friend and you don't like him for something. That should have been a question from IO. Do not add it from your side. You say, sir, I all of my friends, but 5, 6 are intimate friends. We do everything together. We help each other. And Manish is my good best friend. Stop. Let him ask you, do you like some of his, any of things, dislike him? Yes, sir, I dislike his habit. He doesn't look after his health.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But this should be on a question. This is an extra information which should be there with you. Speak only if he asks you. Okay, what is the health problem? Sir, he has a heart disease or appendix or whatever he has. But don't say, sir, he has many diseases. अब heart भी है, appendix भी है, उसको kidney पे यार कितना बीमार कर दिया अपने भाई को. This gives me impression कि तुम ऐसे रट्टा मार के आए हो. ठीक है? तो उतना ही बोलना जितना वो पूछे. So friends पे आके ये बोलना है, sir, I have my school friends. वैसे तो सारी क्लास में सारे मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं, पर 5-6 का हमारा एक ग्रुप था. हम सब एक जगह इकट्ठे जाते हैं, इकट्ठे करते हैं, इकट्ठे खाते हैं, इकट्ठे पीते हैं सर. पर सर कभी कभार आपस में झगड़ा भी हो जाता है सर. तो अच्छा कब हुआ झगड़ा? सर वो मेरी कोल्ड ड्रिंक पी गया सर. आई गिव एन एग्जांपल. बट देन सर आफ्टर इमीडिएटली वी ऑल ऑफ अस वी रिकंसाइल्ड. हमने 2 कोल्ड ड्रिंक और खरीदी, बांट ली आपस में सर. तो एवरीथिंग इज सॉर्टेड आउट. बट दिस शुड कम ऑन ए क्वेश्चन. अब तुमने उसको हार्ट भी बना दिया. अब क्लास 12वीं क्लास के लड़के को हार्ट डिजीज है, 12वीं क्लास के लड़के को अपेंडिक्स हो गई परमानेंटली. अपेंडिक्स इज ओनली फॉर ए शॉर्ट व्हाइल, इट हैज टू बी ऑपरेटेड इमीडिएटली. तो डू नॉट गेट इनटू ऑल दैट. प्रिपरेशन अच्छी करी है आपने, बट प्रिपरेशन करते समय थोड़ा सा दिमाग में चाहिए. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मोहित, मुंह पे स्माइल नहीं है यार. नीलाक्षी, द स्माइल व्हिच इज ऑन योर फेस राइट नाउ, दिस इज नीडेड. इससे ज्यादा भी नहीं, इससे कम भी नहीं. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? या दिस इज बेटर मोहित. ठीक है, बट परमानेंटली करोगे तो थक भी जाओगे. थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स भी करना है. ठीक है, इट शुड लुक नेचुरल. मोहित, योर नेट इज क्रिएटिंग प्रॉब्लम्स.
ओके सर.
ओके, सेकंड थिंग मोहित, मैंने पहले भी बोला था, नीचे तो कभी नहीं देखना है. सिर नीचे बिल्कुल नहीं जाना है. हेड विल बी हेल्ड हाई. और मैंने बोला आईज को घुमाना है. Even when you are talking to him, when you are talking to the interviewing officer or he is watching you, तो मैंने बोला था look at his one eye, second eye and his chin and keep rotating धीरे धीरे intelligently. Never look down. Now I'll tell you. Now your eye movement, your eyes were going up. Where is Mohit gone? Mohit gone. Okay, Nilakshi, you come on then.
Okay, sir.
Mohit, can you hear me? Okay, I'll let him come. Mohit, can you hear? Somebody will tell Mohit whatever I'm telling you. Okay, your eyes are not going to be fixed. कोई ghost वाली आंखें नहीं है कि चिपका के रखनी है. You will bat your eyelids, but batting the eyelids should not be very frequent. Okay, Meenakshi, whatever you're doing now, you're doing it too often. Now when I ask you a question, there is a tendency to look right or left, up or down or sideways. So there are how many movements? 6 movements. Right up, right center, right down. Left up, left center, left down. आपने कोशिश है ये, दिस इज नॉर्मल. या मोहित सुन रहे हो मेरी बात? अभी मोहित सुन रहे हो बात? हाँ. तो ये जो आई मूवमेंट है, मैंने बोला है कि पहले सिर तो नीचे जाना ही नहीं है. ठीक है, जब वो इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर आपसे सवाल पूछ रहा है या आपको वॉच कर रहा है, आप उसकी एक आंख में, फिर दूसरी आंख, फिर चिन, इस तरह से ट्रायंगल में अपनी आंखें घुमाते रहो. बड़ी तेज नहीं, आराम से, इन नेचुरल मैनर. आईलेट की जो बैटिंग है वो भी नेचुरल होनी चाहिए. और अभी मैं आई मूवमेंट्स के बारे में आपको बता रहा था. आई मूवमेंट्स के बारे में बता रहा था. आई मूवमेंट्स, लिसन टू मी. आई मूवमेंट्स के बारे में बता रहा था. आईज जो है आपकी या राइट साइड में जाएंगी अप, या राइट साइडवेज, या राइट डाउनवेज. ओके. और यहाँ आई मूवमेंट्स आपकी जाएंगी लेफ्ट साइड में अप, या लेफ्ट साइड में, या साइड डाउन वे. अब ये 6 मूवमेंट्स का क्या मतलब होता है, which you may not, when you are doing it, you are doing these movements when I'm asking a question, but you do not know what thing I am perceiving. उसका मतलब ये होता है, whenever you are looking to your right, that means you are trying to remember something. Okay, when you look to the right up, that means you are trying to remember some video, a visual thing. मैंने कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा है, आप कोई विजुअल चीज याद करोगे तो आप अपनी आंखों को अभी करेक्शन, मेरा राइट, आपका लेफ्ट. ठीक है, आपका लेफ्ट साइड में जब आप ऊपर अपनी आंख ऊपर करोगे, यू आर ट्राइंग टू रिकॉल अ विजुअल पिक्चर. इफ आई आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन, एंड इफ यू डू लेफ्ट साइडवेज, if you do left sideways, I'm talking your left, no, not mine. Okay, when you do your left sideways,
Okay.
that means you are trying to recall a audio which is there. That means सच बोल रहे हो. Okay, ठीक है. Similarly, when you do right ऊपर is, that means you are trying to construct, means कि आप कोई ऐसी चीज को मनगढ़ंत बना रहे हो. इसका मतलब आप मेरे से झूठ बोल रहे हो. So moment I see your right eye going up, I know you are going to tell me a lie. You're trying to remember something which is not there. And if the other eye goes up, that means you're telling me you're speaking the truth. Okay. Similarly, अगर sideways है तो it is the audio. अगर मैं बोलता हूँ याद करो कौन सी पिक्चर का गाना था, तो गाना याद कर रहे हो, तो आप अगर सच बोल रहे हो और गाना है तो आप उसको साइडवेज करोगे, और झूठ बोल रहे हो तो साइडवेज करोगे. सो रिमेंबर योर दिस थिंग. नीचे देखना मना है और ऊपर देखना है आपने, तो आपका लेफ्ट में आई जाएगी तो मैं याद कर समझूंगा कि आप सच बोल रहे हो. लेफ्ट में आई जाएगी साइड में तो बोलूंगा ऑडियो याद कर रहे हो, सच बोल रहे हो. सो ट्राई एंड इंश्योर दैट यू डू नॉट गेट इनटू दिस आई का चक्कर. ये एनएलपी की टेक्निक सिखा रहा हूं मैं आपको. व्हेन यू आर सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ समबडी, this is how you have to find out. इसको कहते हैं आई एक्सेसिंग टेक्निक. ओके, सो दैट गाय नोज ऑल दिस. सो कोशिश यही करनी है कि हम ना ऊपर देखें ना नीचे देखें, और अगर कहीं गलती से नजर जाती भी है तो दिस पॉइंट शुड बी इन योर माइंड. लिख लिया सबने ये पॉइंट? हैव यू ऑल रिटन? पुट योर हैंड्स अप इन योर पार्टिसिपेंट लिस्ट. ओके, गुड. एंड प्रैक्टिस इट. आई विल बी आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस ऑन दिस. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ योर interview so far so good.
Okay.
अभी तक के points हो गए. अभी now let's come to Nilakshi. Mohit, you remain there. Yeah, Nilakshi.
Yes,
How
sir.
you tell me what are your hobbies?
Okay. Good evening, sir. My hobbies are drawing, painting, cooking, and writing poetry.
Okay,
So,
what do you draw?
Sir, I draw normally a girl who is an inspiration whenever I am in a
Okay, hold here now. Your eyes are going to the left up.
whenever I'm in a stress. Yes, sir.
Your eyes are going left
Yes,
up means
so whenever I'm in a
that means you're telling the truth. You're speaking truth. So avoid doing it. But at the same time, you're also looking down. Okay, अभी पता नहीं क्या बोलने वाले थे, बोलो.
Okay, sir, when I
Your audio is also gone, Nilakshi.
am stressed, I try. Sorry, sir, but there's
Okay, stop. Wait for the audio to video.
there is no. I don't see any issue over here.
Oh,
Can
but
you
I'm
hear me?
hearing- No, Nilakshi is low. Network bandwidth is low. Okay. What did you say? When you feel stressed, what happens? Say again. Say
Yes,
again.
sir. So whenever, okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah, of course.
Yes. So whenever I feel stressed, I draw a girl. It helps to release my stress. So that's when I draw.
Okay, hold it, space, stop. Never, okay, never use the word whenever I feel stressed. Why are you giving a clue to the interviewing officer that you get stressed also? Let him ask you sometime. Instead of saying, sir, whenever I am in a leisure mood, whenever I want to do something different, or sir, whenever I am tired working something, to change my work, I do my painting. And you are not saying you're stressed. You are tired working. You want to change activity. Okay, or you are leisure. You have leisure time. Both ways. So I start painting. Painting relaxes me. Why say I'm stressed? So that means you get stressed also. That means you come under stress also. Let him ask. So if he asks you, tell him sometimes, sir. I mean, there are some situations where you automatically come under stress. But don't say that whenever I get stressed. Means every time you get stressed, so you start painting. Painting is your hobby, so that means you like to do it more often. That means you get stressed many more times. That means you're not the right material. तो आपने खुद ही अपना खड्डा खोद दिया. तो आपने स्ट्रेस की जगह ही बोलना है, मोहित, आर यू गेटिंग मी? आपने बोलना है कि सर जब कभी मैं थक जाता हूँ, बहुत मेहनत कर रहा होता हूँ, तो मुझे लगता है कि मैं थक गया हूँ, तो काम करना बंद करने के बजाय, रिलैक्स करने के बजाय, मैं मेरी हॉबी थी पेंटिंग, मैं उसको पेंटिंग शुरू कर देता हूँ. उससे सर मेरी बॉडी ऑटोमेटिकली रिलैक्स हो जाती है. तो उसके बाद मैं वापस फिर अपना काम शुरू कर देता हूँ. तो आपने उसको ये बता दिया कि यू कैन रीजन इट आउट इन योर माइंड. आपकी रीजनिंग पावर अच्छी है कि आप अपने टाइम को मैनेज कर सकते हैं. आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजिंग पावर अच्छी है. इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग कि भाई मैं थक गया, अब मैं सोऊंगा, मम्मी मेरी टांगे दबा दो, पापा मेरे को चाय ला दो, कोई मेरा सिर दबा दो. इसके अलावा मैं बोल रहा हूँ सर कोई बात नहीं, मैं थक गया, मुझे काम करना है, बिकॉज आई हैव गॉट फैक्टर 4 डिटर्मिनेशन है, मेरे पास स्टैमिना है, मैं काम करना है. मैं थक तो सारे बच्चे जाते हैं यार, एवरीबडी गेट्स टायर्ड, सो नथिंग रॉन्ग इन गेटिंग टायर्ड. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ स्टॉपिंग एंड रिलैक्सिंग और आस्किंग मम्मी पापा मेरे टांग दबाओ, मेरे को ये करो, मेरा सिर दबाओ, मैं अपना पेंटिंग शुरू कर देता हूँ. पेंटिंग करते करते मुझे ऑटोमेटिकली मजा आता है करने में, तो मैं रिलैक्स हो जाता हूँ. फिर मैं आई कम बैक टू माई ओरिजिनल वर्क. बात समझ में आ गई सबको? All of you, if you understood, put your hands up in the participant. 7, 8, 9, 10. Only 10 people have understood, not others. Baki 12, 14, 15. Good. I want to see 26 now. Go ahead. Okay, good. The others will also do it. So take your hands back. We'll lead in the next time. Okay. So this point is understood. Yes. Okay, Nilakshi, tell me something about your other interests apart from your painting and cooking. Cooking. Which is the cuisine you like very much?
Sir, I normally do home cooking. So you doing the sabzi, roti, and Indian dishes.
Indian dishes में कौन सी आपकी favorite है?
Aloo parathe.
Okay, tell me, how do you make aloo parathas? Give us a recipe. What all you put in that?
Okay, so we boil potatoes. We boil potatoes until there is 3 whistles. After that, I cool them down. I peel them off. Then I have dough ready of wheat flour. Then I put turmeric powder, chili powder, salt into the aloo masala, and I make that. Then I make a chapati. I put that masala into it, and then I again make the paratha out of it. Then I put it on the tawa and I put butter, and that's how I make it, sir.
Butter makes you fat, isn't it? So why do you do that?
Sir, but sometimes it's all right, sir. If you are physically...
Your bandwidth is also poor. I thought Pune wali poor nahi hogi.
Okay. You do exercises every day.
Okay, good.
Fine.
Okay, where is Mohit? Okay, I think Nilakshi is okay now. Why don't you put ajwain in it?
Sorry, sir?
Why don't you put ajwain in it?
Ajwain? Sir, I never thought of doing that way. The recipe that I learned from my mother.
So you're looking to the left top. You're trying.
I didn't see.
Okay, you're looking to the on your left top. That means you're trying to recall the visual of parantha in your mother's kitchen. Okay, good shabash. Okay, now I think we got only 4-5 minutes left with us. Anybody having a question? Leaving Mohit and Nilakshi. Anybody with a question? Observations?
Sir, okay. Sir, I have one question.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes, sir. So one question was that you said that the interviewing officer might observe you for a while once you enter the room. So, sir, if there is a silence for say as 1 minute or two, so can we say that good evening, sir? Can we start our interview or so?
You're not interviewing him. He's interviewing you. You have to wait for him. If he doesn't say sit down, then keep standing. If he doesn't say, if moment you say, sir, may I come in? If he doesn't say come in, keep standing outside. Move only once he says come in. Sit down only once he says sit down. Okay, not that you sit down on your own. And do not speak till he asks you a question. He is interviewing you. And if he is not doing it, there's a purpose. It is not that it is happening automatically. These are all NLP techniques, body language techniques, psychometrics that he is trying on you, which I am teaching you now. So let him ask you, okay? Yeah, anybody, any one question from anybody? I think we got time only for one. Observers, yeah.
So can you please repeat the NLP techniques where you defined
Okay, I'll do that first. Let's have Ria. Ria came on. Ria, what's the question? And after that, Devinder.
Well, when the interviewing officer asks you that what do you do in the leisure time apart from your hobbies? So in my case, there is not just one thing I do. I sometimes, there are different things. Sir. I sleep sometimes, or sometimes I play with the toddler next to my neighborhood. Sir. So in that case, if he asks this, so can I say that what all different things I do in my leisure time?
Yes, Ria, that is your strength. I've told you 101 times. The question, the purpose of that PIQ form, where you write so many things, is to know whether you are social or not. Okay, hobbies is one way of keeping yourself busy, managing your time. In your leisure time, if you say, sir, मैं तो सोती हूँ, मेरे को कुछ नहीं पता sir, leisure time में, that means your reasoning ability is zero, your time management is zero. बोलो सर leisure time जब भी होता है तो यहाँ तो मैं अपनी hobbies को pick up कर लेती हूँ depending के वो किस time पे था, और यहाँ पे ये जो neighborhood में you go and work others, help others. Okay, that will be a positive point which will put a good impression about you. Now, what are the events that you do? Tell me.
Sir, there is a toddler in my in my neighborhood, and her mother is just of my age. So, sir, we discuss about any dishes, or I play with that toddler, and we go shopping together. So sometimes I talk to my mother. I pick her, sir. That all sort of things I do.
Perfectly already. Yeah. If question is asked, do not try to tell it from your side, but this should be one of your weapons in under your arms. ये छुपा हुआ weapon रखा हुआ है कि जब वो ऐसा सवाल पूछेगा, सर मैं ये भी करती हूँ. Okay, like she got married, that friend of yours, and she has a child, and you are still there and you are wanting to become an army officer. Is there difference between the two? Isn't it? Now remember the dialogue of that movie, कौन सी थी, Dangal. Remember have you seen Dangal? ये तो देखो उसको.
Sir, I am interested in movies.
See Dangal. When those girls finally take up to wrestling, that happens because she goes for a wedding of a friend of hers, जहाँ पे उसको फादर से मार पड़ती है कि क्यों नाच रहे हो अपना मेकअप करके. तो वो जब कहती है कि ऐसा बाप कोई किसी को ना दे, ठीक है, तो जो लड़की इसकी शादी हो रही होती है वो 13 साल की, वो कहती है ऐसा ही बाप चाहिए, कम से कम तुम्हारा बाप तुम्हारे बारे में सोचता तो है. मेरा बाप तो कह रहा है भैया लड़की 12 की हुई, शादी कर दो, ब्याह दो उसको, चौका चुल्ला करा दो उसको, घर के काम करा लो उससे, तो एटलीस्ट तुम्हें वो रेस्लर बना रहा है. तो सिमिलरली यू आर वे ahead of that girl, but then good that you as a friend, you may helping her out. Your factor 2 and factor 3. At least you are becoming an officer. She already has a child and her life is over, but yours is continuing. Okay, so with that positive mind, you should go and be very openly say, sir, ये भी करते हैं. Nothing wrong in it, but rather it is a plus point towards you. I think we are about to end the meeting. तो कुछ बोलना तो बोलो. Yeah, Devinder, क्या question था? Let's see if we can have question. We'll answer it tomorrow.
Sir,